When you search for the best motorcycle dash cam, everything looks the same. Same claims, same features, same photos. But to really understand what actually works and what just looks good, you gotta dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Sisto Dual 1080p. Let's kick things off with the Sisto Wi-Fi motorcycle dash cam. Priced at $89.99. This one caught my eye because of its dual 1080p cameras and impressive night vision. If you want a reliable dash cam that captures clear footage even in low light, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The dual 1080p cameras provide a 130-degree wide-angle view, which means you'll capture a lot of detail on the road. The Starlight Night Vision lets you record during dusk or dawn without compromising quality, so you can identify details even in challenging lighting. Plus, it features a G-sensor that automatically locks emergency footage when it detects a collision, very important for your safety. With over 700 reviews and a solid 4.1 star rating, many riders are finding this useful. But I have to be honest with you, some users reported that the app can be a bit clunky. Here's the thing though, while it may take a little getting used to, many found the benefits outweighed this minor inconvenience. If you're just looking for straightforward recording without too many bells and whistles, it's still a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option with good quality recordings. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like 4K recording or extensive app functionality. For the price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the app's quirks bothered you, the next option really steps up the game with a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vantrue N4S. Next up is the Vantrue new N4S 3-channel dash cam at $269.99. The triple camera setup with 1944p front and 1440p rear and inside cameras is what really caught my attention. If you want full coverage for your rides, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this product solves your problem. With 3 cameras covering front, rear, and interior, you're looking at 360-degree protection. The night vision capabilities powered by Starvis technology allow you to capture clear footage even in poor lighting. Plus, this dash cam supports up to a whopping 1 terabyte of storage, so you won't run out of space during long trips. It has a 4.4 star rating from 345 reviews, showing a lot of satisfied riders. However, a few users mentioned that the installation can be tricky, especially for the rear camera. Now, I get it. If you're not comfortable with wiring, that could be a deal breaker. But honestly, if you take your time and follow the instructions, most found it manageable and worth the effort for the added safety. This is perfect for you if you're a rideshare driver or someone who wants comprehensive coverage. Skip this if you're looking for something simpler to install. It's a solid investment for peace of mind while riding. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger display. Product number 3, Jelka's 4K CarPlay screen. Now let's talk about the Jelka's 8.1-inch 4K motorcycle CarPlay screen, priced at $134.99. This caught my eye for its impressive 4K recording and integration with smartphones. If you want a multifunctional device that combines navigation and dash cam features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access maps, music, and calls without pulling out your phone. The front 4K and rear 1080p cameras can record simultaneously, which is crucial for documenting your rides. Plus, its IPX7 waterproof rating means it's built to handle various weather conditions, keeping you connected and safe while riding. With a 4.0 star rating from 186 reviews, many users appreciate its versatility. However, some users found that the screen can be difficult to see in direct sunlight. Here's the thing. While visibility might be a concern for some, many riders reported adjusting their viewing angles helped improve their experience significantly. This is perfect for you if you love tech and want a robust system on your motorcycle. Skip this one if you prioritize a more traditional dashcam experience. For the features, it's a good value. Now, if you're looking for something even more integrated, the next product on the list could be what you need. Product number 4, Carpuride W712D. Coming in next is the Carpuride W712D 7-inch CarPlay and Android Auto screen, priced at $215.98. This one stood out due to its dual dash cam functionality and large touchscreen. If you want a user-friendly interface along with solid recording capabilities, this is definitely worth a look. The dual cameras can record in 1080p at 30 FPS, providing clear visuals of both front and rear. It features a rotatable touchscreen, which is great because you can adjust it to your preferred viewing angle, making it easier to navigate while on the go. Plus, it comes with a 64GB TF card to start you off with recording space. With a 4.1 star rating from 610 reviews, this has been a popular choice among riders. However, a few users reported issues with the Bluetooth connectivity. Now, I get that can be frustrating, but many users found that once connected, the sound quality was really good, and it worked well, so it might not be a deal breaker if you're patient with the setup. This is perfect for you if you want a solid motorcycle navigation and recording system. Skip this one if Bluetooth connectivity is a top priority and you prefer a simpler setup. For its price and features, it's a worthy contender. Finally, if you want something that really pushes the limits, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Vantrue F1. Last but not least is the Vantrue F1 motorcycle 4K dashcam at $359.99. With its impressive 4K recording and robust features, this one is definitely a standout. If you're serious about capturing every detail on your rides, this is worth a close look. This camera records in stunning 4K and has a dual 160 degrees wide-angle setup, giving you excellent coverage. The IP67 waterproof rating means it's ready for any weather. Plus, the GPS and mileage statistics let you keep track of your journeys, which can be crucial for insurance claims. It has a solid 4.2 star rating from 221 reviews, proving its reliability on the road. However, some users found a bit on the pricey side. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for high-quality video and advanced features, the investment might be justified for your safety and peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want top-notch recording quality and features. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and prefer something more basic. For those who prioritize quality, it's worth every penny. So, to recap, we've got the Sisto for budget-conscious riders, the Vantruin 4S for comprehensive coverage, the Jelkas for tech enthusiasts, the Carpuride for user-friendliness, and the Vantrue F1 for serious riders wanting the best quality. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on your needs and budget. Whichever you choose, capturing your rides has never been easier,